I'll find it later. I did it! Oh my god, I did it! So I did found another alternative. I could either put the hoop onto here or just put it on the ground and then probably try to teach her how to like do that or something. But I don't know. It's gonna be hard because the ball is bigger than her. So we gonna have to do it. But I don't know. She might surprise me because Snowflake is really smart. So we'll see. It might be just a fun little thing to do anyway, so yeah. Hello, it is Tuesday. I'm sweating like a pig. I just reorganized my shelf and everything. That was the last clip that was happening. And guess who was screaming? This one. Anyways, but yeah, I'm going to a birthday party later. So that's all I have for today. I might just do this week with the vlogs because I have something to do with, well, tomorrow I'm doing karaoke. And then I have a work event that I'm doing Thursday. So, yeah, it's just a week full of events. Birthday party, karaoke, and another party. So, yeah, I'll just check in periodically. But today is my friend's birthday. Well, no, his birthday is actually Thursday, but the work event is on his birthday, so he's having it today. So, yeah. So I was just doing a pile of donating and keep, and then this is my donation pile right here. Not the chair, what's not on the chair, but what's by the chair is what I'm donating. And I found my knee brace that I needed earlier when I was working, because my knee was hurting, and I just now found it with my back brace. A month later. So I'm going to go take my shower because I'm sweating. It looked like I had worked out when all I did was clean my room. And so, yeah, that is all for right now. The other clips beforehand, too, was around 2 a.m. today. So that's why I just did Tuesday, like I introduction myself, whatever. But party starts at 6, so I'll probably see you after to check you in on how it goes and everything. And then, yeah.
Peace.
I feel like so honored. Like,
Probably.
You're so cute.
I'll try to.
I love you. I promise I won't eat you.
oh my god.
All right.
I make no.
Oh,
Hi. Chicken, chicken. Chicken, chicken. Bark, 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 bark. Hello, it is Wednesday. I know it's kind of late in the day. I normally start this like in the early part of the day, but I was doing homework. Well, did what I had to do for homework. And then now I'm like debating on if I want to go to karaoke or not tonight. I'm leaning more on I want to go. And it's not like I don't know what I'm doing or what. I know the person that is hosting the night and everything was just like being an introvert and already just like, should I go out? Should I stay home? Should I go out? But you know what? I'm taking the courage and I'm going to go. I'm going to get ready. I'm going to just wear my simple favorite color, black. Well, black is not my favorite color, but black is my favorite color to wear. I'm going to take a shower. I normally get ready and take a shower in a day, but my day right now is I had trouble sleeping last night, and I realized that I sleep better in tank tops. And I'm just like, why are my naps so much better than my sleep? And I just realized that I sleep with the tank top. I take naps with the tank top on. So, yeah, that's that. So I think I'm going to go out, get over that lump of that feeling of I'm scared. I shouldn't be scared. I know I'm safe in the environment that I am because I know the person and everything. So I'll go to get over the hurt of this introvert personality. Well, I'm not going to get over it. I don't like people at all, but just for time being, I will go to karaoke tonight. I'm not going to sing. I'm not going to make any promises if I'm going to sing or not. I don't know. That is another hurdle when I get there. But right now, I'm just going to go out to take this leap to go out. So, yeah, I'm going to go. I was reminded on my Facebook page that about the karaoke tonight. So, I'll just go and hang out and chill. But I got some packages. I got packages, so let's open them up. This one is off of Temu. This one is Temu. These are just tops. I could probably wear one for tonight. I might just going to. These are clothes. I could do a try on haul. Why am I out of breath? I'm out of shape. Duh. Oh, this is a cute top. Because I needed more long sleeves for the winter time. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. Or winter, fall. Fall, winter. Same thing, right? Oh, I like this top. This is cute. I'm glad I got this. I'm glad I got this. Oh, this is a cute little sweater. I'm going to wear this one tonight. Yeah, look at this. Is cute. What? I'm going to change out of this and put that on. Normally, I wash my stuff before I wear it, but you know what? I don't really care. I really don't care. And then I got this top. This is cute. Oh, this is cute. This is great that it came because hopefully I'll have interviews soon. Hopefully I have an interview coming soon. And I have nice stuff to wear. Oh, wait. I think I'm going to wear this one tonight. I think I'm going to change my mind and wear this one. Because I like the green one so much. I got it in tan. This is cute. I might actually wear this one. Sorry. Changing my mind. And then... Because, like, I have struggled with styling for fall, actually. This one is a see-through one. No, I'm gonna stick with that one. I was gonna wear it. I was like, nah, maybe I'll take that. No. So I was just like, I need some long sleeve tops. Sorry, I cannot speak. And then this blue top with the things on the side. So cute. It's so cute or whatever. And then we got this top here too. This is cute. This is really cute. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Nice. And I also have Amazon order too. No, my good peanut butter. Untrustables. Fuck. It's fine. Alrighty. Let's put everything back in here. I'll clean everything up before I leave. Let's open up Amazon. We can open up with these nuts. I'm so childish. I don't want to use my nails. Alright, I'll use this. How about... Oh, wait. I got a knife. I got a sword, actually. Not a knife. I got a sword. Alright, let's see what a girl got from Amazon. Okay. Oh, great! I was worried about if it was going to come into this because my birds love this food. But the only problem is that they shit with it a lot. But I like it anyways because they like it. It's the egg food. And so I needed to order some more. So I'm glad I got it, and I got it in the brand because in the picture it didn't have it like that. But I'm glad it was that. Okay, what else? Oh, I got some wig caps. I got some more toothpaste. I got some calming stuff for Snowflake because she always screams. So I want to try this on her so she can stop screaming. I also got some mouthwash. And then I also got a vanity mirror for makeup because I have one, but I really don't like it. So I went to get a new one to put on my desk, and it's not as big as it is. So yeah. Ugh. Alrighty. And I'm glad I got this because that hoe was home. But I want to see what the mirror looks like. Come on now. Come on now. I mean, anyways, it's my money, so I can spend on whatever I want. I can do whatever I want. I'm also trying to like save so that I can move. Hopefully, like I said, with my birthday. That's like a delusional dream that I want. But if anything, I want to hopefully move before the fall, so that I'm like ready for the holidays and all that stuff. So I could do like friends Thanksgiving and friendsness and all of that. Invite my friends and stuff over into a happy, clean environment. You know, because I don't want to do it here. I like it. I like it already. All right. Oh my god. I'm like also trying not to break my nail as well, so that's why I'm like trying my hardest to do this. My room always gets dirty when I get new orders and stuff. Okay, didn't break it. Oh, this is okay. That's that. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm a girly. I didn't know it would take 7 minutes just to do all of this. What the hell? What the bombs packet of hell? Okay. So that's everything. I can take off and try the top on. I'm so happy they came. Ooh, look at it. It's boobs. Okay. My boobs are real. Just to FYI that these double D's are natural. I just want to get that out the way and clear. Oh, they look fake. Are they fake? No. They're too big to be that way. No, they're real. Unfortunately, but fortunately. Okay, now I'm trying to like... No, I think I'm gonna, stick with this top. I'll stick with this top to wear out. Alrighty. Oh, this is cute. I like it. I like it a lot. Nice. Yeah, okay. Alright, so that is it for what I got. The mirror just looks like this. And it's cute. Oh, I think you have to hook it up too in order to have the light on, which is fine. Ow! I hurt my nail. I hate being a girl. But I like the mirror though. It's so bougie. But I like it. It's cute. And that means like I could like do my makeup in my room now. And I don't have to go to the bathroom to do it. Because of the light. just exposing myself. It's fine though. Where is the charger at? Come here. You would think I would be good at doing videos by now, right? This is why I don't have 1K subscribers. Because I'm lame. Okay. And I don't have a luxury lifestyle. So that's that as well too. Alright. So plug into here. You plug it into here. And then you plug it into here. And then you... Oh, that's cool! That is so cool! Hey, videos have to be lit. I'm so weak. I like it. Okay, cool. That's real cool. Alright, that is all for my haul. I will see you later when I get home and tell you how my night went. Peace.
And I'm like about to, I'm pretty sure I'm not the so I'm like, I gotta keep my fingers.
I got a burb because your burb needs their mama. What the fuck? This is why she's gonna be on the channel when she's one. She's not ready yet. And then there's Snowflake screaming her ass off because she's jealous. Life with birds. Life with birds, I tell you. But at least they love their mommy. They love their mommy. Y'all, you hear Snowflake? She is fed up. Just because I got this little one out. Y'all hear her? This is so cute. Look at this baby. Oh, she's so cute. Look at her. She is the cutest thing ever. Oh. Obviously, I'm home for the night. I'm actually kind of happy I went to karaoke. I did not sing. I'm not I retire singing from singing in church and everything. And my voice is damaged from singing first soprano all the time. So I'm not that I don't like my voice or anything. I just don't, I'm not even comfortable with singing. I have a lot of stuff, you know, but I'm actually really happy that I took the courage and went, and I really did. Like, even though I got my shirt messed up, first time wearing it, it's fine. I'll just wash it. I have to wash the other stuff with it anyway, so it worked out great. But yeah, I had a great time. And then I also had some other friends was there as well too, so it was a good little reunion and whatnot. But yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, because tomorrow is... What's tomorrow? I don't know what's tomorrow. Tomorrow's the 21st, right? Is it the 21st? Oh, it is the 21st. Tomorrow I have my work opening event. Sorry, I'm farting. Anyways, but yeah, I had a great night. And then for tomorrow night, I'll do a check-in with the day and whatever. But peace out. See you tomorrow. The glitter math of the mess. I did a makeup video of me redoing. Hi, it's Wednesday. It's gonna be the last vlog day. Anyways, but I just redid my makeup look for Halloween. And this is the aftermath of it, of me with glitter and shit. But yeah, and I used the new mirror and everything too, clearly. But oh my god, it came out really good. The video is gonna be uploaded before this one. I'm gonna take a shower. It's the afternoon. I'm gonna take a shower, wash all my face off because tonight is another party. So yeah. Peace out.
Go tell it on the mountain, over the hills and everywhere. Go tell it on the mountain, that chorus that hailed our Savior's birth. Down in the lonely manger, the humble Christ was born, and God sent us salvation. That blessed Christmas morn. I have no friends to wish me greetings once again. Choirs will be singing silent night, oh Christmas carols. I can't deny. Please come home for Christmas. Please come home for Christmas.
So I've been home for a little bit, but I went to see Santa, and Santa asked me, so what did I want for Christmas? And I was like, I want a townhome. I want to move. Please make that happen. I'm just kidding. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video here. I don't have nothing else to do, and I'm gonna take a little break before Christmas, Vlogmas. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next month, because I'll be doing Vlogmas next month. Will I do it? Will I break? We'll slay. Bye bye.